In the three phases of the IoT revolution, traditional industries will be completely transformed, ushering in a brand new industrial age. To meet these huge business opportunities and changes over the next 15 years, ecosystem partners in every industry are collaborating to co-create value together. Advantech cordially invites all our partners to participate in the next growth phase with us. By placing particular emphasis on the establishment of a co-creation business model and the introduction of industrial IoT cloud service providers, we want to accelerate the development and progression of a new IoT era with a truly high potential for growth. So please come join us and let's co-create the future IoT world.